Hello friends, now welcome to my YouTube video lecture. This is my lecture on Notepad of in Swami Vivekananda Institute online classes. Let's go to the Notepad, and today I will tell you what's the printer option in print option in Notepad. So firstly we have to go on print setup. Look at that friend. Here lots of option like size. So which kind of size you are working? Page setup means which type of page do you want to print. Okay, so go to the page setup and look at that. Here page paper, which kind of paper do you have? So we are generally using A4 size paper, A4. Okay friend, look at that. Here many kinds of paper are present in market. For example, A2, A3, A3 extra, A3 extra transverse. Okay, so we are generally using A4 size because the size of this page is limited. Okay friend, so A4, go to A4 size. We whenever we print some data, we select here from A4 size. Okay friend, source, what is source? Source select automatically, you can click here. Okay, orientation, there are the two types of orientation. When you select portrait, then your page will in this form. Okay, and data is written in under the page. Okay, and landscape means your page is go to second. Okay, look at that, this is a landscape option. I will show you the landscape option in our drawing. Okay, just look at that, this is a portrait form and this is landscape form. In landscape you can write data from left to right. Look at that friend, this is a landscape page. Okay, the printout is come in this form, and if you select portrait, then printout is come in this form. Okay, so we go our page setup. So look at that, this is landscape, this is portrait. Look at that, the page setup is changing from here because portrait is this size and landscape is this size. Okay, and margin, what is margin in page? So look at that, left, right, top, bottom. Okay, I will show you on my page. Okay, look at that friend, this is top, this is bottom, this is left, this is right. And margins are, what are the margins? Look at that, left to left and right margin is 1, and here you can also look at that, one margin 0.75, 0.75. look at that, top and bottom, what is the margin? Is margin in inches. Okay, in top 0.75 and bottom 0.75. so look at that, here this is the, what is that? This is a margin. What is margin? You do not write anything from here, this is a 1 inch margin. Okay friend, and this is 0.75 inch margin. You do not write anything outside the margin. Okay, inside the margin you can write only in whatever data you are selected. Okay, by removing margin. Okay, you can only type in our page by removing margin, this is your margin. Okay, if you look any page, then margin is available on some books and some other kinds of book, and your resume. If you look, then margin is on your page, some margin is also available. So generally we are using margin 0.75, 1 and 0.75 on bottom in A4 size sheet. Okay, so let's go header. If you want to give some header option which is come on your header, from where header is, look at that, header is here. I will show you, If you select anything on header, then it will come on here. Okay friend, and if we select the footer, this is a footer. If you anything whatever you write, for example if we select U, then it will come on footer page. Okay friend, look at that here. Page setup, go to the, then this is your header. Whatever you type, it will come on header, and whatever you type on footer, it will come on footer. Okay, inside the margin, not in your page. Okay, so let's stop here. Please friend, continue watch my video and subscribe my video, and also you have to like my video. Okay friend, bye bye.